This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make yogurt yummy. Let's start with simple ways to sweeten your plain yogurt. You can stir in 1 tablespoon of honey or maple syrup for a natural sweetness. Another easy option is to mix in some fruit preserves or jam. A small amount of vanilla extract also works wonders to elevate the flavor profile. Next, let's talk about adding fresh ingredients and texture. Fresh berries, like strawberries or blueberries, are fantastic for natural sweetness and antioxidants. For a delightful crunch, sprinkle in some granola, chopped nuts, or seeds. If you prefer a thicker, creamier yogurt, try blending in half of a ripe banana. Don't be afraid to explore spices and even savory options. A dash of cinnamon or a pinch of cardamom can add a warm, inviting flavor. For a balanced taste, especially with sweeter additions, a tiny pinch of sea salt can make a big difference. You might even try savory yogurt with fresh herbs or a drizzle of olive oil. Finally, let's get creative with combinations. Layer your yogurt with fruit and granola to build a delicious parfait. For a quick and healthy drink, blend yogurt with your favorite fruits and a splash of milk to make a smoothie. Yogurt also makes an excellent base for creamy dips or light salad dressings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.